Did you know there's a parrot that can't fly? Meet the kakapo, a critically endangered species from New Zealand. This nocturnal beauty can live up to 90 years, making it one of the longest living parrots in the world. With its vibrant green feathers and unique personality, the kakapo is truly one of a kind. But here's the shocking part. There are only about 250 left in the wild. Conservation efforts are crucial to save this incredible bird from extinction. So, let's spread the word and protect the kakapo, because every bird deserves a chance to soar. And someone say before I tell you all that the real kakapo is not shown in this video.